Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. It's a beautiful spring day here. I know it's overcast, but it's warm, so we'll take it. I was gifted 2 anti-gravity chairs. Love these. These are lightweight but sturdy, only 5 pounds each. And look how small these collapse to. On the bottom, you have these nice anti-slip features. And I'm going to show you in a minute. You have a lock feature. Here is a close-up right here. The material on these is amazing. It is like a mesh fabric, and so you can see through it, but it's also kind of stretchy, so that's really nice. You have a pillow, and the pillow can raise and lower right here. It's on with this elastic, so it's going to stay in place, and it's nice and squishy. So let's go ahead and open this up. These are great for all of the sports, for the beach, and just for your backyard. And there you go. So I have this chair just as a normal chair. So I can just sit here, very comfortable. I can put my head back. If I don't like the position of the pillow, I can raise it up or put it down. When I am ready, watch out, Pep, I can push the chair back, watch out, and I can recline. You have many positions that you can put the chair in, and then when you have the one that you want, you just lock it into place, and then it won't move. And then you easily unlock it. You can put the feet down, and then you can stand up. This also comes with a tray, which is really, really nice. And I have it on here so you can see it. And let me show you the tray up close. Here's the other tray. I love that it has holes in it in case it's raining. The water's going to go right through. You can put your can in there, your phone, all the things. And this just attaches to the side. Voila. I'm 5'7" for reference, and these I find to be very comfortable. These hold up to 350 pounds. I'm going to have my husband come out and model the chair. He is 6'1", just so you can get like a height idea. But I'm loving these. Let me tell you a little more about them. Okay, these are so sturdy and such high quality. I love the zero gravity feature with that lockable reclining system. You do have that detachable little table / tray, which is awesome. These are so portable and lightweight, easy to collapse and easy to store. I am loving these. Check them out.